Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku, in this additional with extra Sudokus. In today's newspaper on Monday, August the 10th, 2020. And this Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, will be number 1319. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The previous one with the 2-star Sudoku has 26. This one has 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 is 10, 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 4 is 20, 21 plus 4 is 25. One less. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I use. How about the number number 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so in the first column the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. In this big square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9. No 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in that column the only 3 places for the 9, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so in the last column the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright, first digit. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let's see with another digit. We have a 5 in this column, the 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. We have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be and there. Three missing numbers in the first column. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 6. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see here also a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6 and the 3. No. Well. 3, 6, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 3, the 6, and the 7. And look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here also a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 3 and the 6 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the first column. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see for another digit. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. In this row we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2, 3, 8. Alright. 2, 3, and 5. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so I already have a 9 here, and all the 9s are used, and the 1, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here so 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next. So the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 5. That means this box should be the number 3. No, 3 we have. 4 is missing. The 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for a 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. I fill this for you so you can follow it easier. 2 and 5 are left as a pair. This is also a pair. The 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left. 2 and a 5. 2, 5. Six in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 should be there, yes. 2 numbers left in this column. The 3 and the 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now I have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 5 is missing. Yeah, 5 is missing. Now I have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be for the 5, and the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. 1 number left in this square. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finishing 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Faster than the previous one, a 3-star Sudoku. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. See you later, and bye bye for now.